غفار يا الله يا قهار يا الله.
Dua of Yunus alayhi salam to remove all kind of distress, difficulties and calamities. Narrated by Sa'd radiyallahu anhu. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Shall I not teach you a supplication which anybody recite in any distress, difficulties or calamities, it will be removed?" He said, "Yes, teach me." Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "It is the dua of Zunnun," means Yunus alayhi salam. La ilaha illa anta subhanak inni kuntu minadh zalimin. None has the right to be worshipped but you. Glorified be you. Truly, I have been of the wrongdoers. Al-Silsilatu Sahiha.